Unbox with me this Hatsune Miku fashion fancy figure. One thing that immediately stood out when I saw this figure in the store was the box itself. The artwork is really eye-catching, and honestly, a well-designed figure box sometimes grabs my attention even more than the figure inside. I'm not sure if that's just me, but this one definitely did. Because of that, I picked this one up along with a few others from the fashion series, which I'll be unboxing in future videos. This fashion figure is a bit smaller than some of the other Miku figures, but it's incredibly cute and fits perfectly within the rest of my collection. But that's all for this video. Follow along with me and watch my Miku collection grow. And as always, thanks for watching.